If you've muted a word on X, formerly known as Twitter, and you want to bring it back into your feed, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to unmute it in just a few steps. It's a simple process, but if you've never done it before, it can be a little hard to find inside the settings menu. So in this video, I'll walk you through it step by step. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. 1. Alright, let's get started. First, open X or Twitter and make sure you're signed into your account. On the left-hand side navigation bar, click on More. This will open up the full menu with additional account options. From there, click Settings and Privacy. Next, go into Privacy and Safety. Once you're inside that section, click Mute and Block. This is where X keeps all of your mute and block controls in one place. Now click on Muted Words. You'll see a list of all the words, phrases, hashtags, or accounts that you've muted on your profile. Find the word you want to bring back, and then click Unmute next to it. As soon as you do that, the word will no longer be filtered out from your feed. That means posts containing that word can appear again in your timeline, notifications, and search results, depending on your other settings. And that's it. You've successfully unmuted a word on X or Twitter. If you want more quick guides like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.